So guys, I just wanted to talk about the the things that happened to me yesterday, man. So I get into buys on gold and US 30. So and then it pretty much did good, man. I'm gonna break it down after this thought, man. So what I did is, yes, I did place my buy, right? And then I'm holding my trades, man. So I place my trade, put my stop loss, and then look for my TP, which is the previous high, previous current high. So what I did was I closed my trades in the middle of the trend. So because I've seen some price stalling, man, and then without the US session, I closed my trade without the US session. So after that, closed my trade, and then the price went up to my desired target, man, to my TP. But I've already closed my trade, man. So this video is all about the reflection on how to hold my trades for long, and how to manage fear, and also trusting the higher time frame, man. So let me just break down the market for you. So yeah, as I was saying, we are in the gold right now. So I place my enter from here, this trend. I also enter at the middle, man, because I'm supposed to catch the this one. I'm supposed to catch this one, man. But then I didn't place my entry. But it is what it is, right? So what I've seen is it goes up, it makes new high, and then let me mark this one. So this is our new high, right? From the previous push. Where this high come from? This low. And so after that new high, I'm waiting, man, on the 15 minute, even in the hour. I'm waiting for price to be bullish again. I'm waiting for price to be bullish again, man. So I did place an entry here, around here, man. So price makes a downtrend, right? Price makes a correction. Price makes a correction. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But then I've seen price trying to struggle here. So that means it doesn't want to go down, man. So this is a level of support. We know that buyers are strong here. You see? You see the price are stalling here, man. So I go down to 15 minutes. So that I can see more, man. I've seen price stalling, man. I've seen price stalling. Going up, going down, going up, going down. That's a consolidation, man. So I'm thinking in my head, man, if price doesn't want to go down, it will go up. So I put my enter around here, this level. Yeah, when price breaks this one, above this, yeah, this is where I put my entry, man. And then I closed right around here, bro. This level, this, man. I don't know what I'm thinking on that one, man. My mind wasn't stable, man. I've seen price, um, you know, doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to go down. So I closed my trades, man. but the US session aren't there. I think this is Asia session, man, which is wrong. I think I should wait for more confluences or for more details. That price doesn't really want to go up from that moment, man. So that's why I'm kinda, a little frustrated about it, because how much money I could make if I've hold long enough, man. You see, price is now at 4,500, man, and it's going to 4,546, man. I should have trust the higher time frame, man, and let it play out. And another one is the US 30. Okay, okay, in US 30, so here we are, man. US 30, we just made a high, right? We just made a high here. US 30 made a high, comes from this low, this low. Price comes from this low, we break these higher highs, and then we make higher high, and then it sold off from that area. Big sold off, man. Try to retrace back to this area where the previous push comes from. So I've entered on Thursday, I think. Yes, I've entered on Thursday, man. When I've seen price, I wait for the US session comes in, and then when I've seen price breaks the lower high. When I've seen price breaks this lower high, so I've entered around here, and then I've closed around here, man. Cause just like the US, just like the gold, man. I've seen price consolidating, man. I've seen price trying. I've seen price having trouble to go up, man. But again, what's my wrong with this is I should wait for the US session to come in, because that's where the volume comes from. But again, it is what it is, man. I close my trades around here, man. I enter here from this area, and then I close around here. I know it's still profit, man. But wait, let me show you my face. Yes, I know it's still profit, man. I'm grateful for it, man. But you know, if only I would trust the higher time frame. I would trust my analysis more, and don't. I mean, not don't pay attention to the opinion of others, but just take the opinion of others and observe it, man. Don't absorb it, right? So I've changed my mind too on that, because I've seen the video of Sai talking about the gold going down if it makes a lower high. So it kinda affect me on my decision making on holding that price or holding that buy. So I've learned my lesson, man. I'm going to trust the higher time frame more. I'm going to trust my analysis, man, and let the market play out, let the setup play out, man. Yes. Let the trades play out, man. It's either SL hit or TP hit, man. I could take some partials, but it is what it is, man. I've learned my lesson, man. Right now, I'm patiently waiting for another setup, for another breaks of higher high, or fail to do so. That's my father, man. So my father just passed driving the Jeep. So let's get back to the top. Now I'm going to trust the higher time frame more. going to trust myself more, and don't let the opinion of others or the perspective of others sink in into my decision making and affect my decision making, man. I should be clear with myself and let the market play out, man. Let the market play out. That's all for today, man. And again, wait, let me give another one. I'm not going to be stressed about that because there's still there's 265 days on trading, man, on business trading. So this one day, this day, or yesterday won't affect me because I still have 200 plus days, man. Why would I be stressing about one day if I could make a lot from the other day, man? I know what I'm capable of, man. I can do it 100 times. I can do it 1,000 times, man. I can do it over and over again. So why would I be worried about getting out early, right? And as long as I've learned that and I've grown from that, I think it's not a problem, man. I'm in the progress. So yes, I'm in the progress, man. I should not be stressing about that. That's all for today, man. Peace out and love.